Hi everyone, I'm gonna go over how you can create an account on Flickr and also join groups, as well as create albums and sharing those albums with the class group. So the first thing you want to do is you want to actually sign up for Flickr. You can use your Gmail account or your Yahoo account. I've been told that you can use your school account, but I think it would be better to just use a generic account. So the first thing you want to do is, once you sign up for Flickr, if you're part of a private class group, you would want to click on the link that I usually post. Let's say here, click here to join Flickr. And you'll see, once you click on that link, you'll be directed, you'll see like a button that says, do you want to join Flickr? And you want to say yes to that. So you want to send me an invite so I can add you to the class group. So once you're accepted, then you can go ahead and upload files to that group. If you click on this icon that looks like a little cloud with an arrow on your right hand side, basically you're going to be taken to this page where you can see this icon right here. Simply you can drag and drop files and import videos as well as photographs. And Flickr is extremely powerful, so I'm just going to go ahead and maybe add like this one, and we just add a couple more. Add this one, and maybe add this one. So I'm basically just, let's say I want to upload these 3 pictures, and remember, you can, the video is exactly the same. The process of uploading videos is exactly the same. So once you upload your photos, then you can go ahead and organize them into albums. Basically, it's going to dump everything on a camera roll for you, like videos and photos. And the power of this program is that when you click on, for example, the camera roll, you can see that I can go back for it, archives like everything that you've uploaded to this application. So I can even go back as far as 2012, 2011, and I don't remember when I joined Flickr. I think it was 2008 maybe. So I mean, I can download any of these files and it basically just archives them. For the free version, I think there may be like limitations. So this is really like the power of this program. So I'm going to go ahead and go back, and anytime you want to go back to your homepage, just click on this Flickr logo. So now if I go back to my photo stream, you see that I have all of the pictures that I've recently added. So now you want to organize your images. So for example, you don't want to send me every single thing that you've uploaded. Maybe you just want to send like the best items, or just the video that's related to your projects and so forth. So for that, you need to go to you from this top menu, and you need to click organize. And my interface looks a little bit different than yours because I'm the administrator. You're going to select the first one. You're going to select, let's say, these 5 pictures. I'm going to drag them in here. Now, from this menu right here, you see that you have 2 options. You can create a new album with these photos or videos, or you can add them to an existing album. So right now we don't have an album. This is going to be exercise 1 or project, whatever it is. We don't have an album yet. But let's say if you're working on your project 1, or you're working on like exercises and you already created an album, you can just click this option here. But since we don't have an album, I'm going to just choose new album, and I'm going to say week 1, class exercise, or class introduction, or and you want to click save. Now I'm going to go back to the Flickr, I'm gonna say yes, leave. Now I'm gonna go back to view album, and you see the big one is right here. So now if I click this icon, basically I'm gonna click actually the folder. I just click on the folder, I click on one of the pictures, and at the bottom right hand side you see that you have an option to add to a group. You also want to make sure the viewing privacy is set to public. You want to change that to make sure that the picture is visible. So now you want to add it to a group, and once I click here, all the groups are going to load up, and you want to find, I have a lot of different groups, like yours is going to just show up as one. So I'm going to go back down. So this is the class group, because this is the 41, yes, or is it? Actually, I think it's this one, 42. So we're going to click on this one. Okay, say done, and that's all you need to do. So now if I go back to my groups, and if I click here, you'll see that I have this album, and if I click on the album, you'll see that it just shows up here, and if I click it, it has all of the pictures. So that is all you need to be doing in order to add pictures to Flickr, and also sharing it with a class group.